Okay, so I'm excited again, all right? So this node, crypto node, I just bought today and I paid some money this morning. It was around 4:30 a.m. Why? I'm going to give you all the information right now. Just spend a few minutes time because this is I cannot give you in 2 minutes time. It's going to take probably a couple of videos to break down everything. Now, nodes, crypto nodes, what is that? What is Zap? They sold over 11,000 nodes in only 1 week time. 1 week time. I never see nodes to be selling so fast. I think it was very similar, 1 or 2 nodes before who are selling like this fast, but this is just crazy. Okay, 11,000 nodes in only 1 week. I just learned about this node actually 2 days ago, and I was hurry up to buy because the price will go up. Total nodes going to be will be 30,000 nodes. Okay, I'm going to tell you the price, how many tokens you're going to get, and what expecting will be the price. And do you know what's the best stuff right now? It's only 1 week, so this is like a galaxy, like Delicium, like Sonorous. So if you listen to me, okay, when I got in, so Galaxy Nodes is still coming in the next couple of weeks. So we're going back to Delicium. I got Delicium. So Delicium is this node. Okay, you buy and you just hold the node. That's about it. So Delicium, the price is 34 cents now, and the price was 60 cents just 2 weeks ago when blow up 20x from all-time low. And now if you have this node today, you're going to make around $6-7 a day, was give you around $250 per month. Okay, just 2 weeks ago this price was double, so it was going to earn around $500, and when I promote this node was around $1,000. Okay, so today price is 2,200. Sonorous node is also one of the passive income. It's a node, the price was around 2-3 cents, blow up all the way to 20 cents, and now it's holding around 11-12 cents. Of course it's on dip today because the market is dipping, but right here you will see it was 26 cents and it was 0.03 cents for some many months. Also, this also going to give you like $6-7 every day. Why? Well, every month you're going to make a couple of $100. Okay, so this is a passive income. So the next node, what I'm also, let's say if you buy playable games, it costs right now $6,500. Okay, $6,600. You're going to earn 1,000 tokens. What's going to give you around $3.50 per day for $6,000? That's too expensive for me. Myriad nodes, 6,000. Let me just see if you want to buy. Okay, if you want to buy it, the price was around $6,000. There we go, $6,300. Also, you're getting few bucks per day. So this is Zap. Zap is very hot. Why? The token is coming in the next couple of months. You just buy and you just hold. You don't need to do anything. Okay, now this is one of the best thing what I like about this project. Okay, so Zap is 11,000 sold, but check this out. Okay, let me just move my face right here. So check this out. Total amount will be only 30,000 nodes. So Delicium, Sonorous have 50,000 nodes. Okay, so now the starting price is $1,000. Okay, it's a little bit more expensive, but today price is $1,325. Why? Because they blow up. They sold 11,000, so it's a little bit more expensive, but it's still very early. Again, just remember. Also, what I like about this one is you get daily pool is 150,000 tokens. Okay, so this price is going to be like 10 cents, 20 cents, probably is going to be few bucks. I'm just assuming, that's my personal opinion. So check this out. So this is one of the hot things what they have for the tokenomics. They have 4 halving. Okay, what does it mean? Now they're giving 150,000 tokens per day, every single day, divided for us, for everybody who have a node. Now in only 6 months time, all right, 6 months time, they're going to go a halving. They're going to drop down to 75,000, and in only 1 year they're going to have 37,000 tokens per day. So that's why Delicium blow up 20x. That was one of the reason why, because they dropped down. Let's say if they were giving 1 million tokens per day, they drop down with their halving to 500,000. But these guys, they usually take 12 months, but for these guys it's much faster. It's every 6 months. So what's mean in just 2.5-3 years is going to be no more new tokens. Okay, what's mean the price appreciation can go huge upside. All right, so the next thing is you need to understand that the ever going to be tokens, they're going to be 300 millions. Okay, so that's about it, the tokenomics. Now let's go and see how you can buy and who is behind. So let's go. If you go and check, by the way, they have a test of what is basically Zap. So first of all, Zap is on Blast chain. Now don't think, oh my god, I need to go to Blast chain. It is just another chain. Like Base is taking off, like Solana is blowing up. But if you go and see on DeFi Llama, you're going to see that the Blast have total value locked 1.33 billion, okay? It's number 6, it's Ethereum, Tron, BSC, Solana, Arbitrum, and Blast, okay? That is crazy, okay? Bridge total value, TVL, it's 2.6 billion, okay? We talk about B for Bob, billion. So Blast is taking off, so it's good to have your hands in every single pie. Just don't forget, nothing here is financial advice. Do your research, okay? This is crypto, you can lose everything. It's just crypto. Make sure you put risk capital. Now let's go and see who is the team, and I'll tell you how you can buy the token. The node. So basically Zap, again, as I say, is on Blast chain. So it's a community-driven token launch protocol, okay? It's something like CDeFi, like fair launch platform. So it's going to take away all the problems like a bot, like a VC, like somebody who invests too much for anybody who wants to launch a project. Now I'm going to do a huge update in-depth video. I don't want to keep this video extremely too long, but if you go right here, you will see like the problems for the fair launch, for the airdrops, and so on and so on. So they're going to have a lot of airdrops, okay? They're going to have a lot of lotteries. We can also participate in some new project when they're coming. So these can be a beast on the Blast chain, okay? So there you go, you have a lapse, you have launch, you have drops, okay? You have underlying magic, and so on and so on. Don't go through everything right now, okay? Because the video will be extremely long, but if you just go down, I just want to mention a couple of other things, 2 more things, okay? So on their testnet, if you see in their testnet, they have 23,000 wallet connected, 65,000 transactions, 800 plus pools launch, 600 Ethereum in fees. And make sure this is on Blast. On Blast, that cheap, the fees are extremely cheap, so they earn 600 plus in fees, okay, in Ethereum, okay? So I already talked about this one. How many tokens? By the way, how many tokens? You can divide this 150,000 by 11,000, and I think it's coming around 11 tokens per person per day. I know it's not a lot, but if one token is few bucks, okay, just imagine how much money we're going to make. So that's why it's so good to be early. Now if you hold the vault, so the vault is your node. Again, you have daily Zap incentivize, you have enhanced staking rewards. You can also stake, not now when it's live, additional mystery airdrops, okay, so that's very cool, and exclusive platform benefits. So by holding the node, you're getting a lot of benefits. Now next NFT, they're going to airdrop lucky NFT, this bad guy Peggy Pinglin, what costs around 20,000 bucks at this time when I'm doing the video, and I think it's next week, okay? This snapshot was taken just few days ago. Now if you go down right here, this is the tokenomics, as I mentioned, 350 million, nodes allocation 20%, okay? So this is the very hot things. The team is experienced team from Binance, Nonsense, Wells Fargo, this is one of the biggest bank in America, and Zumo, all right? So that's the team right there, and I believe, as I heard, there will be a big names coming in the very near future to tell us like who is behind all the scenes, okay? Now partners with BFX, Ambient, 100x, Truster, Wasabi, Particle, and Spacebar, all right? So you can go and read everything you want. Let me tell you how you can get the node. Okay, so let's see how you can buy. Let me just put my light. Now, first thing, you need some money on Blast. So Blast again is different chain. You can use MetaMask or you can use Rabi. If you use Rabi, it's directly added to the Rabi, so extremely easy. Now, first thing you need to make, to bridge some money. And what I'm using for bridging is Orbiter Finance. I'm going to leave the link down in the description. How much it's going to cost? Almost zero. So from Polygon, make sure you have some Ethereum and just go connect and bridge to Blast. So you're going to get Ethereum on your Blast. Now make sure you understand that you need to have also a couple of cents of Polygon or Matic, maybe like 10 cents for fees, and also you must have some Ethereum left in Blast when you're getting the node for the fees. So Ethereum is the main token for the fees. Once you get there, once you breach, it's going to take you like 30 seconds to be honest. Make sure you use this website or any DEX. Okay, I'm using ring.exchange, so you can change Ethereum to USDB. So this is their stable token on Blast ecosystem. Once you're already there, you have 1,325 bucks. Then you go to buy the node. Click the link down. You're going to come to this page, go to buy vaults, and you're going to come to this page. Okay, connect your wallet, and then you need to confirm your wallet. Make sure you use any kind of hardware wallet. Okay, please, some just to be more safe, and go here. Make sure you can put here number 1, number 2, wherever, how many nodes you want to buy, or in this case vaults. Add my referral link, please, will be highly beneficial if you like to add. If not, that's still okay. You must add some links, so if you want to use mine, I will be highly appreciative. If not, use anybody else you want, and then you just go and connect wallet and buy. Okay, once you buy, just hold there, and that's about it. Voila, congratulations, you have the node. Now the video is exactly 11 minutes. That's what I was aiming for. Thank you so much. Again, only risk capital. This is going to come hopefully in the next couple of months, so it's going to give me more time to get more tokens. Every day you're going to get your tokens airdrop to your account. All right, thank you so much. God bless. Ask me any question you have down in the description or in the comment section, or just find me in my Telegram and ask me any questions there. All right, goodbye.